Now there's nothing like a family gathering with a nice fall soup. And today we're gonna make butternut squash soup. So basically what we did, and Edward and Kim are going to help me. Basically what I did was I took a butternut squash, cut it in half, and roasted it in the oven for like an hour. In the cavity of like the deepest part, this part, I just put onions and garlic in there and just let it roast with butter.
Oh, okay.
And spices, so it's really, really good. You're gonna need a can of pumpkin, butternut squash, onions, garlic, pumpkin spice, which I left over there in the kitchen, but we'll add it in later, don't worry about it. And then either sour cream or heavy cream or media crema, which, I don't know, do you Americans use this stuff? Table cream?
Has to be a thing.
I don't know, I guess. I like it because it makes it really nice and creamy. And some chicken broth or beef broth or vegetable broth, and that's it.
Easy.
So what we're gonna do now, everything's been cooked, is we're gonna scoop out the rest of this. Now, Edward, can you open that can of pumpkin for me?
Yay!
You did it! Yay! You did it. Okay, Kimmy, go ahead and pour that in there. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna scoop all the yumminess out. Scoop it, scoop it, scoop it. If you want, you can open these.
Okay.
I'm trying not to give you the messy stuff.
Do you want me to pour this in?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm doing the messy. So pour them both in. Now after we do this, we're gonna emulsify it. So you're gonna take this thing. Very handy. Do you have one of these things?
No, I don't.
Oh, you should get one of these things.
That would come in handy.
Every woman should have one of these things. That's all I'm saying. Go ahead.
I have to get one.
Do you know how to use it?
So I just press this and...
Press it and go down. Whoa. Uh-oh. Is it getting messy? Here, I'll do it. There you go. So you do this. I'll do the first part. And I'm trying to get all the onions. Now I know if you have one of those, you know, food processor stuff.
Yeah, I have that.
Well, ho for you. I don't have one of those. I actually like this better because you can do it under the stove.
It is annoying. You have to take so much space. You have to like wash it afterwards.
Well, if you do like sweet potatoes or mashed potatoes, you could just, you don't have to dirty up the thing.
What about an egg beater? Is that different than?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would work the same.
Because this chops it up. This chops it up.
Right.
So just to make it a little more soupy, so it's not like
Too
puree.
thick.
Yeah. I think we're good. Ooh, you can smell. Ooh, you can smell the onion.
Oh yeah.
And I'll put a little.
And you put garlic as well,
Yes,
right?
garlic. Because if not, it's like too sweet. All right, so we're gonna put this back on the oven, and you know what? I'm gonna. You remember my friend? What was her name? Gladys, I think her name was.
Yes. How could I forget?
Well, she wanted to come over and see your new friend.
Oh no.
And make some cocktails with you. So we're gonna do
Better
that.
be careful with her.
Yes, we'll be right back, and we're gonna make some candy cocktails. How's that?
Ooh.
Yay! All right.